So you might be having some problems with repo here and your microphone is not working properly. Well, there are a few things that you may want to visit here. So first things first is repo has its own lobby to like host like sounds, so especially if you want to hear like those funny sounds inside a game and really like experience the whole game properly. So yeah, in here you want to go to your settings inside repo and you want to go to audio. And in here, you want to make sure that your microphone is actually properly set. So in this case, if you have multiple microphones, like microphone from your, let's just say webcam, microphone from your laptop, or microphone or dedicated microphone here, you want to make sure that you've selected it. Now in here, as you can see, there's already a name for it. You can go and just switch over to the proper microphone. So in my case, I want to use the USB microphone. So this is my dedicated microphone, and you'll know that it's actually properly working if you do see the bar here moving around. So it's me talking and the game can actually hear me. So you don't have any problems with that. Also, another thing that you may want to do is you want to make sure that your microphone level is at a certain level. 100% is the recommended one. But if you're too loud, you can go and decrease that, just not too low, like 20 or even 0. As if you set that to that specific option, your teammates or your friends will not be able to hear you. So 100 is going to be the perfect balance here, unless they say that you're too loud. You can go and reduce the sound volume for it. And also, you want to make sure that push to talk is actually turned off, so that every time you talk, the whole game or the lobby will be able to hear you. But if you have this on, well, you need to press the certain key that you've set for it in order for you to in order for your teammates or your friends to hear you inside the game. So in my case, I just like using the off option here so that I don't have any problems. I don't have to think. I don't have to think about it later on. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.